Hello student, tomorrow we have discussed about biosphere reserve in India. We know that the number of biosphere reserve in country. Now we have discussed about objectives of the biosphere reserves. Let once again we know that the government of India has established about 18 different biosphere reserve in country. Okay? Of these, 10 of the part of the world network of biosphere reserves set up the under all the species of the UNESCO man and biosphere. Okay, it is called the MAB program. The first objective of the biosphere reserve to conserve the diversity and the integrity of the plants and animals with natural ecosystem. Second is the safeguard of genetic diversity of the species on which their continuing evolution of depend. This is the most important point. That is the most important point of the objective. Third one, the provide areas for multifaceted research and monitoring. And the fourth point, to provide facilities for education and training. The last, to ensure sustainable use of natural resources. Okay? Through most appropriate technology for the improvement of economic well-being of the local party. So it's not about only animals and plants, it's all about human beings, well-being of the local people also. Okay? The main objective of the biosphere is to integrate it together into a realistic conservation of strategy. These objectives should be oriented in a such way that biosphere reserves are the units wherein the biological, socio-economy and culture dimension of conversation. That's the most important things. At the last, preservation of the biosphere reserve. Okay, preservation biosphere reserve is not a simple matter. It's not a simple matter. It is very difficult. To achieve a desirable abundance of particular species of biosphere, it is imperative to save their habitat because there are a lot of pollution problem, lot of germicides problem, at the habitat harmful can be migrate and means wildlife population affect the wildlife animals and their habitat. So it is imperative to save their habitat because wildlife population respond very central to their habitat. Thus, habitat management is an efficient techniques. So we can say that wildlife management includes habitat management. Okay. And now we see what is human environment. Human dominated the planet Earth and make change their surrounding to suit their needs. Earth is only planet where we can easily survive, and here we also have a need to change their surroundings, and we shoot the surrounding sets. This is why they form the most important part of the environment. A small pollution of the primitive people that live in a dense forest and other isolated area related to the environment and live in a harmony with nature. It's all about human nature. In next video, we have completely discussed about human environment deeply. What is thing our society has developed immensely to fulfill his needs. Man has heartlessly carried out the activities without considering its impact on environment. Large agricultural land has been converted to commercial areas, residences and industries. Roads are overcrowded with traffic, smoke and dust causing air pollution and noise pollution. The list is endless. So we discuss tomorrow what is how about human environment and is very how it is useful to be us. Thank you.